says on August 3rd, 1492, Columbus set sail from Spain to find an all-water route to Asia. On October 12th, more than 2 months later, Columbus landed on an island in the Bahamas that he called San Salvador. The natives called it Guanahani. For nearly 5 months, Columbus explored the Caribbean, particularly the islands of Juana, meaning Cuba, and Hispaniola, which was Santo Domingo, before returning to Spain. He left 39 men to build a settlement called La Navidad in present-day Haiti. He also kidnapped several Native Americans between 10 and 25 years to take back to Spain. Only 8 survived. Columbus brought back small amounts of gold as well as native birds and plants to show the richness of the continent he believed to be India. When Columbus arrived back in Spain on March 15, 1493, he immediately wrote a letter announcing his discoveries to King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, who had helped finance his trip. The letter was written in Spanish and sent to Rome, where it was printed in Latin by Stephen Planck. Planck mistakenly left Queen Isabella's name out of the pamphlet's introduction, but quickly realized his error and reprinted the pamphlet a few days later. The copy shown here is the second, corrected edition of the pamphlet. The Latin printing of this letter announced the existence of the American continent throughout Europe. I discovered many islands inhabited by numerous people. I took possession of all of them for our most fortunate king by making public proclamation and unfurling his standard, no one making any resistance, Columbus wrote. In addition to announcing his momentous discovery, Columbus's letter also provides observations of the native people's culture and lack of weapons, noting that they are destitute of arms, which are entirely unknown to them, and for which they are not adapted. Not on account of any bodily deformity, for they are all well made, but because they are timid and full of terror, writing that the natives are fearful and timid, guileless and honest. Columbus declares that the land could easily be conquered by Spain, and the natives might become Christians and inclined to love our king and queen and princes and all the people of Spain.